Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another plan with me in my Hobonichi week. Strawberry, no, that's not right. In the navy version of the Hobonichi weeks mega, and we will be planning for the week of the 17th through the 23rd. So if you'd like to see how my page will turn out, this is going to be a no sticker kit video. There will be some stickers. By that I mean a few, but no kit. So if you'd like to see how my page will turn out, make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Let's get started, you guys. So first, I wanted to show you some new stuff in my travel organizer from Kiki, and these are my very first cards. And I got this from the albums Love Yourself Tear. This one is Love Yourself Tear, and this one is Love Yourself Answer. My very first photo cards. I haven't set this up because I'm still waiting on the photo card from the Map of the Soul 7. But let's go ahead and grab our planner. Boom. Alright, so first I have some printables here, and they are from our shop, Paper Joy PH. And what I'm actually going to do is to cover the entire weekly section with these. Okay, let's start with this. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab my pen. This is the Tombow brush pen. I think this is the hard tip, most likely. Just right. Something like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put down something for Tuesday. This one. By the way, this is the Show You Me printable stickers from the shop. So if you go on there, you can grab this and print it yourself, and you will have this file forever. So it's just a collection of bottom bars, but I'm using it in a very different way. Could be neater, but oh, YOLO. I was going to pull this Wednesday. That's better, I think. Yeah, Wednesday, and then Thursday. Friday. Let's get. The reason that this is a little bit different is because this is a very important week for armies. Saturday. And also a very important week for Whiz Ones. And I'll run you through that in a bit. And this is the Sunday one. And I want to put, 23rd. Something here. I'm just going to grab. I'm gonna put it a little bit lower than how I used to do it. And another one. Ooh. Sorry if the camera angle keeps changing. I keep knocking the camera out of place because of stuff. Well, this filming setup is very different. I might tell you that later on in life. Alright, so this is what we have now. So good. I'm so happy. Next, I'm gonna work on this page. So we have this, and I just cut it from, oh no, not this one. Where is it? Oh, there it is. I just cut it from paper that I got from the reject shop for what, $5? I'm gonna put this on here, and basically this week we're not writing on Tomorrow River paper, which is fine. Sometimes I like to just keep to paper. Some days are like this one. I mentioned that I was gonna grab some more glue tape, but I didn't. I'm so sorry. I promise to get it the next time I'm in the mall. Today is still Friday, by the way. It's actually Valentine's Day that I'm filming this. Alright, wow, okay, this is the very first time that I've done a spread like this, completely decked out. This is something else. Okay, and now off to the fun part, which is to use BTS stuff. Why is this not in order? Okay, so I'm going to tell you which boy comes on which day. There are 7 of them, so it's easy. JK is Sunday, Suga is Saturday. No, Jimin is Saturday. Jimin is Saturday. Where's Jimin? Okay. And then we have, Sugar is Friday. V is Wednesday. Thursday, Jin. Wednesday. Tuesday, because it's his birthday. I deeply apologize, by the way, for the last video. I got very confused. I'm so sorry. But that's okay, because then J-Hope would have his own week. And this week is very special, as I've mentioned. So as you've noticed, the pictures are a little bit big, and if I put it down, it's gonna be, too long. So I'm going to cut it. I do have my ruler, the ruler that I use and stuff. So I'm gonna cut scissors. I'm gonna cut around Namjoon first. He is Monday. Very similar to what I did with my Hobie spread for my planner, for my Kikiki planner. Alright, so it's just right around here. That's our boy. So I'm going to put Namjoon down now. By the way, this is sticker paper. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that. Alright, okay, next. Birthday boy, happy birthday to you. That's your real birthday, right? I'm so sorry for last week. Okay, Wednesday. This is kind of tricky. Before today, I would have said that, you shouldn't put the stickers near the spine because it'll put pressure on your planner on the Hobonichi weeks. But now it's just a really special week, so I just wanted to do this. But I would not normally put stickers so near the spine. Let's put Tay down. I like the sticker paper. It's peeling off nicely. Okay. Thursday. Hello, Jin. Let's get it on. Right. Okay, let's put Jin down. I'm just going to rewrite 20, the date. Sugar. By the way, these pictures are from concept number 4, the last one. Concept photos 4, basically. My favorite is the third one, Dionysus 1. It's a very special day, incredibly special. Let's cut around first, around Jimin, who will be on Saturday. So let's ruler. You don't want to make a mistake here, or ever. But if you do, just let it go. Your planner. Here we go. And then the very last day is for JK. This picture is way too big. Why did I pick this photo? Does JK have another photo? Oh, okay, this one. Okay, there we go. Oh, I love that expression. It fits nowhere. The sticker that I put down for it, well, behind him. I know that not a lot of people will plan like this, but just imagine if this was, like artwork from Etsy. That's how I see this. It's just like if it was artwork by Etsy. Just layer it. Ah, so good, you guys. All right, so next we are going to finish this off by taking one of these. So this is a sticky note. It's not the stickiest sticky note, and I am going to just cut this, but I want to cut it nicer than I would normally cut it. So I'm gonna line it just like that. Gonna cut it. And this is basically where I'm going to write all the things that needs to be written down. Like that. And then I'm gonna cut around it. Not as neatly as you'd think, too. Very soft paper. Okay. Alright. And then, before I set this down, I have the group photos here. Yes. Ooh, this is my favorite. That's it. Do I have all of you? Which one is this? Okay, that one's that, this one's that, and actually these two ones are the same. Okay, let's take that and put in birthday boy. Actually, no, I really like Jin's here. Jin's face here. Actually, that needs something else. JK, maybe. No, let's stick with the black and white ones. That might be better. Is it better? I don't know. Confusion. I could put another one of these here. These two, that's perfect as it is. Oh, I can do that. And this. Yes, so I'm gonna move that here. But then I can't see the background. That's the point of all this. Okay, hang on. If I pull that up and just pick the ones that I had picked before. No. Okay. Yes. Right? We good? What do you guys think? An alternative would be to pick from this to put on here, which might be a better idea. Okay. I'm gonna stick with this for now. All right. Do we remember where everything went? Okay. Tape this down. Oh, glue this down. Glue. Actually, if it's upside down, it's crazy. That was painless, wasn't it? All right, let's go, Namjoon and JK. Yes. Okay. And now okay. Yes. I am loving it. Right. Now I'm going to take some stickers from this book, these ones, and just put it all over the place. Maybe. Oh, well, first I'm going to take. There we go. Okay. So many BTS photos. I'm gonna take this. Put it over weekend. I want to take this green one. So I'm gonna cut this part out. So I've taken this sticker and I will put it at the bottom. Oh, so good. So good. So happy. I'm gonna also take this one at the bottom. Oh, really? Hang on. What's the other one? Urgent. I don't have enough stickers. Said all planner girls ever. What's gonna happen if I put coffee down? Okay, I think we are done. I think there isn't anything else I want to put down here except for that group of hearts in the front. There. We're done. Here we go. Here we go. All right, where's my pens? Oh, that's awkward. That is where the to-do list should have been. So I'm gonna cut this. Okay, all right. Are we done? Probably never. Until the next week. Just grabbing some more pens and let's do this. Anything on the 17th? Nope. Hobie's birthday? Yes. Hobie's birthday. And 21st. Oh, wait. Okay, eyes one come back, blue is. And then Hobie's birthday, and then 21st is when map of the soul. And also on the 17th is when the track list, map of the soul 7 track list drops. Alright, Hobie's birthday, 19th nothing, 20th nothing, and then Saturday and Sunday. Okay, and then for the other side, I'm going to be using this pen. So I use the Papermate Flare for the left side. On the right side, I'm just going to use a ballpoint. This is the Uniball Signo. Just going to be a different type of print, I'm guessing. That's how I'll call it. And then I'm gonna do some to-do list. And that's it. That is all I'm gonna write. It's not like I'm gonna fill out the entire page because it's only really Friday. And that is it for us today. Let's scoot on over and take a look at what we have. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to follow us on our social media. It is PaperJoyPH for both Instagram and Facebook. So I'm gonna leave this right here and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!